I originally intended to do a full video of this install, but my iPhone crashed, so I'll just go over a brief overview of how to do it, some tips and stuff that I did that I found made it easier. I can also go over the reason behind the installation of this hitch to add the bike carrier. First off, this hitch is from Reese. It's rated for 6,000 pounds. This particular Highlander is rated for, it's the XLE. It's rated for 5,000 pounds max. There's the part number if you're interested in getting this on yours. 75896. You can see there that's the tools required. You'll also need a 12 millimeter for the exhaust hanger bracket there. You'll definitely want 2 people when you're doing this. The hitch itself is pretty heavy, so you can have one person lift one side, you lift the other and start slowly threading it. I put it up on ramps, makes it easier. So when you climb underneath, you're going to have a toe bracket that's going to be sitting right up here. That'll be hanging up there, and these 2 bolts right there. So that will be sitting up there when you first look up here. So that's going to come off. Obviously, now that you have a hitch, you're not going to need that hook there. So you'll take that out, and then underneath this, you'll find some. You'll find the holes that are already pre-drilled in the frame rail, and then so you have 1, 2, 3. This will be filled up with a plug, so you just pop the plug out, and then you'll find it's already pre-drilled here, there, and there. And then you're going to take all those out. So this, all you have exposed is a smooth frame rail. You're going to unbolt this bracket because this will be screwed in up here at these 2. I don't see why you do it, because you'll still have clearance from the muffler to the trailer hitch, but that's what the directions said to do, so I did it. And you're just gonna pull on this a little bit and then bolt it lower. Yeah, I'm not sure the purpose behind relocating that, but just used it anyways. So once you take the tow hitch out, pop the body, the frame rail plugs out, then you should have three exposed holes. And then you're going to come over to this side. And light's not very good on the side. You will have this plastic piece sitting right here. And you can see, it's hard to see, but so you have these 2 holes right there. That's where this mud flat bolts in. So you're going to save 2 of those screws. So you're going to undo 1, 2, 3. And there should be a 4th one. Yeah, the 4th one is, can you see that? Yeah, right there. So that's going to come out, and it's not going back in. Once that plastic piece comes down, you'll have the exposed frame rail. Once again, it's 1, 2, 3, and there'll be plastic plugs in there. You just pop those out, and then you should have a smooth frame rail, and the holes are already drilled into the frame. It's ready for the trailer hitch. Besides that, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the directions when it tells you what specifications to bolt them to. Just make sure you have help while you're doing it. And it's pretty straightforward. We added this trailer hitch so we could have the bike rack and eventually maybe tow something else. This is from Walmart. Significantly cheaper than the other brands, and it seemed to work out pretty well. The only complaint I have with it is they have you bolt this into the receiver. I'd recommend just getting a locking pin so you can take this rack off whenever you want.